Okay, students, in my previous video I have already done up to 8. Now see the ninth one. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. Now see. First you have to draw a trapezium ABCD. The diagonals intersect at O. Now see, here you have to prove AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. So here you have to construct, okay, that is you have to construct OE in such a way so that OE is parallel to AB and CD, okay. Draw OE such that OE is parallel to AB and OE is parallel to CD. Okay, now proof. See, you have to prove this. Now see, in triangle BCD, see, in triangle BCD, as OE is parallel to CD, so we can say from BPT, BE by EC is equals to OB by OD. Now write, in triangle BCD, as OE is parallel to CD, we can write BE by EC is equals to BO by DO. It is equation number 1 from BPT. Similarly, in triangle, see, similarly in triangle ABC, OE is parallel to AB, so that we can write OC by AO is equals to EC by BE. Now write, in triangle ABC, as OE is parallel to AB, we can write what? We can write BE by EC. BE by EC is equals to OA by OC. This is your equation number 2 and the same reason, BPT. Okay. Now see, from 1 and 2 we can say that, see, BO by DO is equals to OA by OC. BO by DO is equals to OA by OC. But you have to prove here AO by BO. And see, so cross multiply, okay. OC will be here and BO will be here, okay. Now write OA by BO is equals to CO by DO. This is to prove here, okay. Hence proved. Okay, now see the 10th one, that is the converse of this. See, this is your given. Now you have to write in this way, that you have to again cross multiply, okay. It is the reverse of 9th one, so cross multiply, you can write AO by CO is equals to BO by DO, okay. Now construction, you have to draw a line OE such that OE is parallel to AB, okay. This is your construction. Now see, in triangle ABC, OE is parallel to what? OE is parallel to AB by construction, okay. So we can say that OC by OA is equals to EC by BE. Right, OC by OA is equals to EC by BE. This is by BPT, okay. But we know that AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. So from this equation 1 and this equation 2, from 1 and 2 we can say that BO by DO is equals to EC by BE. See, BO by DO is equals to EC by BE. 1 minute students. There you see AO by CO and OC by AB, okay, means OA. So from this equation we can write EC by BE is equals to OC by OA, so DO by BO. Now see, EC by BE is equals to DO by BO. So we can write OE is parallel to CD. OE is parallel to CD by converse of BPT. Okay, but construction we have all said that OE is parallel to AB. From construction we have said that OE is parallel to AB. So OE is parallel to AB, but OE is parallel to AB by construction. So from these two we can say, therefore from equation 3 and equation 4 we can say that AB is parallel to CD, and if AB is parallel to CD, so you can say that this is a trapezium. Okay, see, you have to solve in this way. So today up to this. If you have any doubt, then please write in the comments. Okay, if you have any doubt in this exercise, please write in the comment. So today up to this, that's all for today.